Hi guys, this is All King. Today we are going to drop the all new LG G3 D850 from 14 Fleet Building. Exactly from here. And let's do it. Drop! So guys, this is the phone. Let's check a look of it. Seems prettily damaged. It's totally damaged. The battery is also bent. Those pieces. Touch. So guys, this is the phone. Let's try booting it. The speaker is completely gone, as you can see here. The chipset also is broken. Totally damaged. I don't think so that it would survive, but let's give it a try. The port is only inside. So guys, even after 1 hour it doesn't even start, so it's completely damaged. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.